Let's talk about functions. Here we see an example of a function in Java. On the left side here, we see a type declaration. It takes a string and returns a string. I give it a name. I assign an expression to this function. On the left side of this little arrow, we see the argument that this function takes. It takes one argument. I call it my string. The arrow here is a declaration of the function itself. And on the right side we see the expression. Here we have a fixed value, hello, and we concat it with the my string value that we pass in as an argument. Here on this line we can see how this function can be called. We call it a name, and we call the dot apply, and we apply this string over here, the world, to this argument. It will be set here, and the result of this concatenation will be returned as a type of string. So this will result in hello world, and we can assign it to a variable string over here, and we can print this out, and it should print out hello world. And if we run this, we will see that it prints out hello world. Of course we can change this. We can call this with my name. When we run it again, I get hello Rutger. As this is a dojo, I will provide some katas in the comments down below. There will be a link to my GitHub, and you can play around with it and have fun for yourself.